Hello, my people. How you doing? It's your baby girl, Mama of Africa. Emeto Ekimo Gwe ya ijamo. Omo ye mu agogo ude mu. Mama of Africa. Opo ye. Me I want kan o. And what's up? Mama Ondo, you cannot speak English. Me duh. Stop playing. Me duh. Mo magbo yibo. Me mo magbo yibo. Àwọn youth o. Foyen o. Di wa ka ba wọn cash cruise o. Me Kusha mi ke. Di baba wọn cash cruise. Ìlà mi kẹ méjì dàgbà tán mo lè ka bá wọn káàṣì cruise ṣáà wà mú àwọn tọ́pìkì kan kò mí fọ màmá òǹdó o mà bá wa cruise kíní o bá wa cruise ẹ̀ mọ́ra mi sí wàhálà agasi cover mo kọ́ wọn náà ní o tọ́pìkì yìí mo gbé wá náà ní o ṣé àrí bẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ àrí bẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ tí ẹ wá o concentration. So have you ever tried to break up with somebody and the person no gree? Wọ́n láti fẹ́ break up pẹ̀lú èèyàn rí. You need to hey, you are going nowhere. Waka gba àwọn ọ̀dọ́ then we funny or for package ne. Anfi, my husband told me to pay him back all the money he spent on me. I was like, for where? When he said shut up. He did gbẹ́ omi ọ̀ràn. Owó yìí kò ti ná lérò mi for dídá padà. Kí bẹ̀rẹ̀ ti ṣe lúfẹ́? That's not possible, bro. You want to get the money you spent on me? Damn, it's not gonna possible. So my husband told me to go back to my mother's house and relax. When I'm done being childish, I will call you back. And where you want make I get wife from? Hey Jesus. So where you want make I get wife from? Now you are married, you know they go anywhere. Go your ass. Go and rest. La rest in bed. I once told her that my love for her is no longer there, so we should break up. She told me if my love is finished, we can use our own because our own still there. The love well over it. Èmi say me love ti ìwé mo ti love well. Èsù we love because you say we died here. Àwọn ènìyàn bá di o. And then I said, my own told me he knows I'm exhausted. My energy and my energy. He knows I've exhausted my energy and I need enough rest to regain it back. That I should sleep first. And when I woke up, he brought me energy drinks. More for all we need the fearless, we need the predator, we need the climber, we need the makoa, we gain energy. Saw a long breakup message around 1 a.m. I ignore and I woke up around 6 and I text him, good morning sunshine, hope you had a good night rest. We will chat later. Only a phone because she mo send the letter next mo send the messages in ago kanoru we fẹ́ this also ago mẹ́fà ojí she mo fẹ́ send messages mo for mistake sunshine good morning. Oh my god. And send anybody. He said yes, so in fact now today make am 1 year where I finally leave the way. Hey, with the help of soldier, school cadet, my brother, one of my self joined me to pursue the way. Hey, Jesus. Àwọn ẹsẹ̀ àfẹ́ ká ṣe bàbá wọn já tán délé o. Eba, but èyí o ẹ̀fọ́ ni o, àmú sójà sí o, àmú cadet sí o, dédé wọn àmú rìpọ́ọ̀tì ẹ̀sẹ̀ wà lọ́sẹ̀ ṣe wọn àbàyè mi jẹ́. Continue. Àwọn ẹ̀ṣá. I told him I can't continue with the relationship again. Will continue? It's again, man. The next day, his sister called me. Oh my God. She gave me a strong warning never to try such a thing again. Oh my God. Sister, you can go as in we had a misunderstanding and I told him over the phone. Few minutes later, he was at my door. And he said no one is going anywhere. Well, are you sure? We are now 11 years married with 4 kids. Man in a woman, after all I knew, Isa bomomeko. Esi. Isa biko.